Welcome to Dr. Jarrett's Science Shenanigans Teacher Edition. I'm excited for you to be here with me today. I'm excited to share my knowledge of the grade 5 science standards, specifically what the students will need to know and will not need to know to pass their 5th grade science assessment. Do not forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you again.
I've been passionate about empowering educators in science education for many years. My dedication to science education also led to my dissertation, which focused on developing impactful lessons for science improvement. Since 2007, I've worked with over 75 schools across Florida, assisting in boosting grade 5 science scores. Together, we're making a difference in how young minds explore and engage with science. I'm so excited about you being here with me today. So, we're going to talk about SC4E6.6, recognizing that humans need resources found on Earth, and that these are either renewable or non renewable. And then there is a 6.6 that speaks about the resources that are available in Florida, which are water, phosphate, oil, limestone, silicon, wind, and solar energy. The keywords are identify and or distinguish between renewable and non-renewable resources, and they are definitely going to need to know about the Florida resources. Again, those vocabulary terms are resources, earth, renewable, non-renewable, Florida resources, water, phosphate, oil, limestone, silicon or silicone, wind, um, or solar energy. And so within that, the students are going to need to understand why are they important. Renewable resources are resources that can be replaced by nature. As long as we take care of them, we won't run out of them. But non-renewable are the resources that take a very long time to form, sometimes millions of years. So once we use them up, they are gone. So let's talk about those renewable resources, which are the sunlight, wind, water, trees. Again, if we take care of those things, then they won't run out on us. Um, if the non renewable resources are not taken care of, if we use too much of them, then we won't have any left for the future. And so when we're talking about those are coal, oil, natural gases, metals, and minerals. And so those items are non renewable resources. This benchmark specifically can be taken care of with some videos that show the students quickly about renewable and non-renewable resources. Also, card sorts are amazing for this. You have a picture of the non-renewable or renewable resource, and then you have a label, renewable, non-renewable, and then they have cards with all the different types. Then, once they separate them into renewable and non renewable, then you put up one that says Florida. The students have to take the renewable and non renewable resources that are specifically found in Florida and place them in that chart. Again, Florida's resources, the only ones the students are responsible for are water, phosphate, oil, limestone, silicon, wind, and solar energy. And if the students can fully understand why they're so special to Florida, then that is going to be a benefit to this benchmark and them understanding. To recap, we are dealing with renewable and non renewable resources, why they are important, identifying the Florida resources, and recognizing that humans need these things and they're all found on Earth and humans need them to survive. So I hope I have helped you with this particular benchmark. For me, this would be 1 to 2 days of instruction that the students would work. Maybe they work on renewable resources and non-renewable resources, and they actually apply it to multiple type choice questions on the next day. And then that way the teacher will be able to recognize if the students have mastered this concept or not. I would have anchor charts. I would keep my anchor charts up. I never put them away. They would just move from in the front of the room to either someplace on the side of the room, so the students can also be able to see those anchor charts at any given time. And if I ever need to review back or revert back to one of those, I can point back to the anchor chart and say, hey, remember we talked about this? Because solar energy is going to definitely come up again when you're in life science and when you're speaking about energy. I hope you have enjoyed this session about renewable and non renewable resources.
Thank you so much again for watching this session. The book, Unveiling the Power of Impactful Science Instruction, is available on Amazon, and it is a glimpse into my dissertation investigating the improvement in science achievement among fifth grade science students when using the instructional model.